Welcome to Yumm Food Hub. Today we are going to make Jamun Popsicles. Jamun, black plum, 300 grams. Cut and remove seeds. Add in grinding jar. Add some mint leaves. Salt 1/4 teaspoon.
Sugar 3 teaspoons. Lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala 1/4 teaspoon. Add some ice cubes and grind it. It's done. Take popsicle mold and fill it. Put the lids and freeze it for 7 to 8 hours.
Yummy Jamun Popsicles are ready. Enjoy!
Yummy.
If you like this video, please hype to this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.